I have some really cool thrift finds to show you, some sold items to pull, and plenty of listings to get done. So come spend the day with me as a full-time reseller. Orange cream cold brew. I'm gonna try it. It is early in the morning. I woke up and I couldn't sleep, so I was like, I'm gonna get up and go to Starbucks. I ended up getting that orange cream cold brew. I do love like the cold foam though, like at Starbucks, but I haven't tried this like orange one, but let's try it. It's so weird. It's like an orange cream popsicle with coffee. I always get the grande iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. It's my go-to.
One eternity later.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. I'm a full-time reseller, and today I had full intentions to be productive, and I ended up napping on the couch for a while and being horizontal, which is fine, but I'm feeling a little guilty about it. And I was laying there and I was like, Taylor, just get up. You can do this. Do you guys feel that way ever? I don't know. Maybe I'm just like hard on myself about it, but I got up, I got dressed, I thrifted this shirt. It's just J. Crew Factory, and I did the top button look. I don't know. How do we feel about a top button? I'm kind of liking it. We're going to get the listings done. I'm going to try to do like 14 listings today. Try this on. It's my size. It's a size 8, and it's just like this cute button-up, like sleeveless vest. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, here it is. I mean, let me go look in the mirror. Okay, I am not gonna keep it. I don't know. I feel like it's a little boring, and to be honest, I don't love wearing black that much. So I am definitely gonna sell this. Okay, that's all I want to photograph for now, but I think I want to post more listings in a little bit. We'll see. Okay, I went thrifting yesterday, and I have another box to add to the boxes that I have. I'll just quickly show you guys some of the things that I got from the thrift store. It's just a regular thrift store. I got this cute quince blouse. This one is so adorable, definitely gives like peasant vibes, and I only paid $7.45 for it. So this should be a pretty quick flip. This brand just goes really quickly. So I got an Azazi dress. This is like new condition. Just a black maxi with this lace detail on the back. I only paid $7.45 for it. I think it could sell for about $50. And then I had another Azazi dress, and this one was actually new with tag. So I'm hoping to get maybe $60 for this one. Again, I paid $7.45. And then I found 4 Honey Love bras, One of them is new with tag. They're all in excellent condition. I paid $4.25 per piece. I think they'll sell for around $25 to $35 each. So excited about that. That's very bread and butter for me. And then I got this J. Crew size 12 midi linen dress. So I got this because it's a great brand, a good size, and then the linen content. And it's in excellent condition, and the price I paid was good. So $7.45 again is what I paid for that. So, okay, I picked this up for me. I also got this shirt in this haul, but what do you guys think of this? I think it's so cute. It's wood. It's like, I think it's hand carved. I don't know, but I Google imaged it and it was like the rice, something to do with like rice, like a rice deity or something. I don't know. I thought he was cute. I love the color and just like the patina that it has. Like I love this kind of thing. Like I love like little statues like that are very like natural looking and like faces. I just love a face. I don't know. My husband always makes fun of me and my sister because I'm always picking these little things up. I just love it. It makes me so happy. Okay, now my favorite thing that I thrifted yesterday. I can't. Look at this 100% silk vintage 90s and tailor. The color, like the higher neckline. This is so 90s. Look at this. It's a size 12 too, which is a great size for vintage. And I'm gonna try this on because I'm just too excited. I have these like J. Crew slip-on like block heel. Because I do not like to wear like an uncomfortable shoe. And these aren't bad. These I can deal with. Oh my gosh, this is cute. I like the hem, how it kind of like frills out a little bit. But it's a little big because it's a size 12 and I'm usually about an 8. So like, you can tell it's a little big up here. I think I'm gonna put this in my closet for a little bit and see if I reach for it. And if I don't, then I sell it. Okay, I got 11 listings up. I'm kind of wanting to do some more, which I think I'm going to. But first, I kind of want to make this saffron tea that I've been wanting to make. Let's do that, because I've been wanting to do this. Okay, so I kind of fell into an Instagram reel trap about saffron and like all the benefits that it has, supposedly, like if you drink the tea every day. And it was kind of one of those like quick purchases on Amazon. Like I saw these reels and I was like, oh my gosh, order. And then it came in the mail and I was like, I don't know, but we're going to make the tea and I'm going to see if there's benefits to it. Cause maybe there is. I don't know. I don't even know if I've ever tried saffron. I don't know. I'm going to try it. Let's make this tea. It smells really good. That's what it looks like. I don't know. We're going to try it. So I think you need just like a small pinch of this. Like it said like 15 threads. I don't know, that looks good enough. Okay, and then I guess instead of just putting this in hot water, you're supposed to put like ice cubes in it and let the ice melt with it. Okay, I want to make homemade gnocchi and it says I need 2 pounds of potatoes. So, the perks of being a reseller, because I already have this little scale. Okay, that's good. Perfect, look at that. Okay, while I'm waiting for that ice to melt and the water to boil, I'm gonna pay some bills. The best part of the month.
Hi, I'm your AI customer care assistant, and this call may be recorded to improve your experience. Now, what can I help you with?
I see a charge on my bank account that I don't recognize from Best Buy. Okay, the charge ended up being an antivirus reoccurring annual payment for a computer I bought. Lordy. There's always something. That companies love these subscription charges nowadays. Like didn't these antivirus things, you just bought one and then that was it? Now you have to pay an annual fee. Lame. Okay, I added some hot water and some honey. I got my cute thrifted Pittsburgh mug from Starbucks. This was thrifted. Let's try it. Doesn't taste bad at all. Tastes like tea. Potatoes are boiling. Okay, I just made a sale like 2 seconds ago. 2 Athleta wide leg trousers. I think I bought like 6 of them or something crazy at a Goodwill for $7.45 or something like that a piece, because somebody had all of, had every color in a size 8 and they donated them. So 2 of them sold for $80, which was awesome, like in a bundle. Amazing. And then earlier this morning, I sold this faux leather Jones New York wizard coat. Remember when I tried this on in a video and I looked like a wizard? I picked it up in the bins and it sold for $72 on Poshmark. And then one of those Quince items sold that I got in that box, just this white t-shirt. It sold for a whopping $8. Okay, I filled up the rack, so I have items for tomorrow. And then this doesn't fit on the rack, these 2 things. This is a bunch of long sleeve men's shirts that my uncle gave me that I have to like measure, and I don't know, this has been sitting there for a while. I need to just dedicate a day to doing that. These are some boots I picked up. Those are so cute. Not listed. Okay. These are items that need to be washed. There's only 2 things in there, and this box needs to be taken downstairs. And then this whole thing is filled with inventory that's been listed, and I need to measure it and put it in the inventory in my garage. Okay. I finished the saffron tea. It said you have to drink it every day for 7 days to start noticing the benefits. Okay, I have my potatoes. They've been cooling. I'm just gonna skin them. Is this? Yeah, this should be easy. This is hard. I thought that this was gonna be so easy. I was like, oh yeah, this looks so easy. There's like 4 ingredients. How hard can it be? If any of my viewers are Italian, I just want to say I'm so sorry that you have to watch this. I'm so sorry. Okay, I think I'm getting a little bit better at rolling them, but it's not easy. Okay, I'm getting a lot better. I had to redo the bottom ones. I figured it out a little bit. Okay, I just pulled these ones out and my sister tried them and she said they were good. Okay, I'm really proud of these ones. Bunnies! I'm making you gnocchi. I made extra gnocchi to freeze.